Hello friends. Today's topic is taken from corporate sector. The title of today's video is Why are Indian companies so frugal in research and development spending? When we study the global R&D spending of multinational companies, it is observed that the most of the companies spend around 3% of their sale on R&D. The global leaders in different sectors have more R&D spending than the above norm of 3% of their sale. For example, Samsung spent around 12% of their sale on R&D. Google and Facebook also spend around 15% or more of their sale on R&D. If we compare the global scenario with the Indian companies are nowhere. The exception is only the Tata Motors, whose annual R&D spending is 6.2% in recent past. Now we move to the question of our discussion. The question is, why are Indian companies so frugal in research and development spending? The answer can have two aspects. The first aspect is, when any company make R&D spending, they are not sure about the outcome or result of the spending. That means they are always doubtful whether they would get the desired output or not. If they don't get the desired result or output, that means whatever spending is made on R&D, it is just a waste. So there is always risk in investing in R&D. Indian companies are generally risk averse, so they are reluctant to make investment in R&D. The second aspect is related with the historical background. There are around 5,000 Indian companies listed in stock exchange, that is Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. If you check the ownership of all these companies, most of the owners of these companies are coming from trading community. What are the thought process of this trading community? Trading community believes in trade. That means they purchase goods from one party and sell it to another party. Thus the trader earns the margin between buying and selling goods. So these traders are habitual to this practice. There is a limited risk in buying and selling. Thus these traders develop the mind of risk aversion. Now, though these companies are becoming big and they are listed on share market, but the owner's mentality has not changed. They still follow that risk aversion approach which kills innovation and creativity. To conclude, our sunrise industry, for example, information technology, which were started by middle class entrepreneurs like Narayan Murthy and Nandan Nilekani, are also not exception to the above analysis. Thank you for watching my video.